Hello, everyone. Today's going to be a quick video. Today's going to be a review on a beauty blender washing machine that I had bought probably like a month ago. Um, but I'm not going to be doing it. I'm going to be behind the scenes. I'm going to have my niece, who's 5 years old. She wants to be on the camera. So I'm gonna give her time to shine. Let's see what she has. Let's see what she sees. I'll be helping her. I'll be talking throughout the video, but you won't see my face. You'll see her face, okay? So let's get to the review, shall we? Oops. All right, you guys. This is the one and only. My niece. Her name is
Alea.
And she is how old?
5.
And we will be reviewing today the beauty blender, like I said. Let's show them the beauty blender. That's what it looks like. Okay. All right, so as she opens it up, it looks like a toy, really. The inside, it has the agitator. It has your drainage. It needs, let me see that box again, because it says that it needs batteries. I can't remember if it is, let's look at the box. Well, they were AAA, but it doesn't say on the box where or what or whatever. So, but yeah, it needs AAA to run. We already installed the batteries. We're gonna get some water, some soap, and of course a beauty blender. Then we're gonna show you how it works. All right.
And inside the how it looks.
You might see some stuff in there already, and that's only because we've previewed it ourselves before.
No, the other day.
Making an appearance on YouTube, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey guys, we're back. We have the beauty blender, and we have the soap, and we have the water, and we have the bucket.
All right. So now we're just going to. And by the way, when you order one of these, or if you do, they do not come with instructions. So when we do this, we're just going to do it as needed, I guess. Right, Leah?
Yeah, right.
Oh, all right. So now we're about to fill it up with water. So let's put water in the beauty blender washing machine.
Okay. Open it up. I can't even open it, guys.
I need a real camera. I need to invest in a real camera because this iPhone is just too cheap. Can you open it?
No.
Okay, get this one on the ground. And also, we're low on like a table because the lighting is like sucky. So please just bear with us.
Say when.
Okay. So now we want to put some soap in there, and we're just using like regular Dawn soap, but I think there's soap out there that goes with the beauty blenders, but I didn't see any online, but I'm sure there is some. Okay. Ooh, that's probably a lot. So now you can either turn it on to get the suds, or to get some suds, or you can just put the beauty blender inside. Just want to turn it on first. So it won't. Okay, so we're having an issue already. You gotta leave your hand on it for it to work. Hold on. I don't know what was wrong with that button, guys, but I think it was getting jammed some kind of a way. Yeah, any kind of, yes. You can put it in there now. Now she's putting the beauty blender inside. So basically it's... Let's see what happens. So as you can see, the Beauty Blender seems to be a little bit too heavy for the agitator to wash. Last time when we did this off camera, we added more water. So let's add a little bit more water. Okay, ooh, that's a lot. No, I think she added a little bit too much. Let's come back. So, like I was saying earlier, I think the Beauty Blender is a little bit too big because it does not want to work when we put it inside.
Look what happens.
See that? Move your hand. It just stops. But I also have a smaller one, and let's see if that one will work. Okay, okay.
Here it is.
Okay, it's a little bit smaller. Let's see if this one works, and if it does not, then we're just going to call it a flop. Okay. So she's dropping it in there now.
It works. I'm gonna leave the little thing.
So right now it's supposed to be cleaning. This is the one that wasn't because it was a little bit too
Big.
big.
Oops. Oopsie.
All right, so we're gonna let it do its thing and come back shortly.
One hour later.
Hey guys, this is leaking. I don't know how it's leaking. Must have a hole. Maybe it's coming from these little holes right there. Yeah, maybe. But we're back. Check on it. Let's see if it's done.
Yeah, so we're back to check on the Beauty Blender to see if it's done any cleaning. So you can go ahead and take it out.
That water is so cold.
So basically,
I'm confused.
no. Take it out. You have to show the viewers.
So this.
So basically, as you can see, there's a ring around the Beauty Blender right here. See that ring right there? And that's exactly where it cleans only. It doesn't clean the whole thing. It just cleans that
Little ring. It just cleans.
And like she said, it's leaking a lot. I don't know where or why, but it's not coming out the drain. And also, I don't know if you guys want to see it drain. So, Alea, if you could please show them how to drain the Beauty Blender washing machine.
Okay.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. And it just comes straight out just like that. Until it's all finished. I don't know why we have the Beauty Blenders and the drainage.
My hands is so messy, guys. So. Yeah.
Okay, so would you, if you were an adult, Alea, if you were an adult, would you buy this for yourself?
No, because it leaks.
It leaks, and what else? Is there anything else wrong with it?
And sometimes it stopped. The other, you remember it stopped.
Yes. Also, it only does like a certain weight.
Yeah, you gotta push it hard like this.
It doesn't do all Beauty Blenders as well, so this is the flop.
Yep.
Don't waste your, even though it's like $3 or $4, don't waste your money.
If I was a grown up, I would never buy it. I will buy a Beauty Blender with never leaks and never stop.
Okay, well you should make one then that doesn't do that if they don't have one already out there.
Okay.
Sounds like a good idea?
Yeah.
Well, I want to thank you today for being on my video, my channel.
We stopping now?
Yeah, we already did our review. It's a flop.
What's
You
a
don't
flop?
like it, I don't like it. That means it's no good. So is there anything else you want to say on my channel?
I want to say something.
Okay, go ahead.
So if my Uncle Anthony shouldn't buy this, it stops and yeah, I already said that stuff, but it stops and it leaks. I don't know how to leaks, and something is wrong with this. It broke off. Somebody make this terrible.
Yeah, it was made in China. China. All right, you guys, we're out. Say bye-bye.
Bye bye. We're out. Bye.